Greetings, this is Chef Nikko, and I'm excited to be presenting live at the Los Angeles Black Business Expo. Today's topic will be food, nutrition, and industry. So let's get the show on the road. First and foremost, let's be clear and understand that nutrition builds health. And in the nature of nutrition, we need to flatten the curve of nutritional literacy that has been growing since 1940. I recommend 4 pillars of nutritional strength, and they are neurological bionutrition, cellular nutrition, DNA nutrition, and finally atomic nutrition, specifically carbon atom 12, which is the melanated code that gives all life its beautiful color. Nutrition is amazing, and the combined scientific results of the 4 pillars have staggered my colleagues for years to come. Look at us, we are so happy with our discovery. This is amazing. So I began plugging these pillars into a wonderful plant-based formula and nutritional algorithm for celebrities, high-profile clients, business professionals, and entrepreneurs to reach their greatest human potential. A flawless plant-based system that has been around for 3.5 billion years, and I was going to do something about it. So that was it. I began using a system that fed both privatized clients and the public with nutrition, and it became quite clear that those codes embedded in plant-based life was the key to a better way of living. You see, cells are autoreceptive, and they do quite well on their own. Our human responsibility comes into play when it's time to provide cells with nutrition. So here's what I experience every day. Come take a close look at atomic nutrition like you've never seen before. So here we have 2 very nutritious cells communicating. In this case, a cell sends out signals to magnetize to another cell. Let's see what happens. How awesome. Molecular nutrition holds atomic nutrition, which is carbon atom 12. This is rapid cellular reproduction. Let's see this in lightning speed. And there you go, a positive example of cell life and how my culinary expertise traps this education in every bite. And now we have comparables. You see, the polar opposite of rapid cellular development and reproduction is decellularization. You see, weak cells full of poor nutrition have weak electrical biomass area, meaning the moment that melanated code is compromised, decellularizing cells wake up and begin communicating with each other. Remember, cells will always be autoreceptive. The results of this is diabetes, chronic acne, hypertension, insomnia, lupus, progressive cancer. This is how genetic deficiencies are created, but no worries, Chef Nikko had the quantifiable nutritional profiles to get you off that dark road. A decellularized human is a serious matter. They are more likely to be affected by environmental conditions, free radical elements coming from the largest greenhouse gas in the world, and that's oxygen, possessing reactive oxygen species, aka R.O.S. This is a naturally occurring process for the body when metabolizing oxygen. Stop. Explain metabolize. Hormone chemicals are information. The cell then opens up to process this information, thus metabolizing the chemical. You see, a nutritious cell naturally is in harmony with the elements like vitamin A and antioxidants. Antioxidants counterbalance R.O.S. by sharing one of their electrons for the free radicals to attach themselves. I achieve this through microdosing the cell as we both rise above the natural but harmful effects of R.O.S. Once cellular electricity begins to progress, it's between me and DNA to fortify nutrition through plant-based electrical elements. DNA is ancient information in plant-based coding, the same DNA in our human cells. The beauty of coding food allows macro, micro, and phytonutrients to be quantified, developing proper portion control backed by customized data and research to benefit clients and/or corporate business products. The first 30 days of metabolic charting is called the breakthrough phase. This breaks down old habits and barricades new habits in the body for rapid cellular reproduction. Okay, now I got you all geared up. It's time to understand the importance of the melanated code carbon atom 12, and to properly do so, we must study the sun. You see, the sun has only one job, and that's to burn so hot that it fuses hydrogen until hydrogen fuses into carbon, specifically carbon atom 12, thus making the melanated code. And there are 4 types of melanin. These 4 types of melanin shape our existence, and they are in this order exactly. Wait, this is my opportunity to start our entrance. A long time ago, before we understood the melanated code, we believed in life, existence, and the pursuit of the melanated code. Okay, alright, let's get serious. Sorry about that. First is cosmic carbon atom 12. Second is planetary carbon atom 12. Third is plant-based carbon atom 12. And fourth is animal-based carbon atom 12. Now that we understand carbon atom 12 and the melanated code, you can see how I can target specific key areas of the human body to bring the best possible experience for you to enjoy nutrition. During a time of uncertainty, it's very important to have a nutritional handbook. Go to Amazon.com and type in Nutrition Fit Only the Strong Survive and get your very own copy now. And to support neurological bionutrition, I want to introduce you to Pantry Brain. Yup, this is my new app. Go on to the Play Store and download it right away to understand how to eat better, waste less, and save money. And do you find yourself at that crossroad wondering what is the difference between health and nutrition, and how do you possibly get to all of this when you're working back to back? You're so tired and you just can't figure it all out. This is the time to be a part of the metabolic calorie coded chart. And it's so simple to get involved. All you have to do is let me know what time works for you best, and we'll set up a fun, simple Zoom meeting so you can talk to me on the topics that matter to you most. Or we can set up a fun corporate event where you and your business colleagues can sit down and discuss how all of you can get to a better cognitive way to make business work best. All my celebrity and high-profile clients achieve their top dollar because their brain is trained with food science. Let's face it, all of these colors are in harmony because of nutrition. The metabolic calorie-coded chart is accurate, customized, and works to your specific lifestyle. And we're just going to pull up with all the right information and make it easy for you to understand. We have the education, the execution, and the accountability to get you to your best you. Heads up, coaches and team owners. The Nutrition Fit team is already charting pro athletes, and we want you involved as well. Get your team members to the next level and give them raw, organic, natural nutrition. Let's combine food science and sports science. We'll see you on the field. And all is well. If you get lost along the way and you need some assistance in the kitchen, come on over and visit me in my virtual kitchen, and we will do one-on-one Zoom meetings until you understand how to get nutrition fit. So go ahead and browse around the website. You'll see some fresh new food concepts, additional menu ideas, and that's where you can actually go and sign up for your custom calorie-coded chart. All that can be found at chefnikko.com. The Nutrition Fit team is everywhere, so go check out our social media handles. We thank you in advance, and we look forward to your support.